Hello guys, this is Atif Mahmood. In this video I am going to demonstrate how to install the Active Directory certificate services. For this you will have to log into your Active Directory computer as a administrator and go ahead, click on the let me close this first please. Click on the server manager. You can also get it by clicking from the taskbar, or you can go to start and go to administrative tool and you can log into server manager from here. So go to add and click on the roles node and click add roles, click next. Excuse me. So once you get into the select server roles, you need to select the top one. Make sure the Active Directory is installed on the computer. It is initializing the setup. Go ahead, click next. For that you have to have the DNS and Active Directory installed. Go ahead, click next and next and select the certification authority is selected by default, and we'll go ahead and select the online responder. Click this one and add roles features. Click yes. It will install the IIS. Click next, and if you need to do, go ahead and read that the certification and the standalone. Select the option. The CA does not use directory. It means the certificate does not basically use to manage the certification. So go ahead, click next, and in this option you will go ahead and select the root CA and go ahead, click next. In this option you will have to go the generate and issue certificates. You will need to select the create a new private key, because use existing private key if you have one, and I do not have one, or either if you are reinstalling if you know the key. So I'll go ahead, click the next. This option is selected as a default, so you don't have to change anything here for the keys or anything. Like, just go ahead and click next, and that is the name suffix, that's the basically the domain name, and we'll go ahead and click next. Select validity period. If you need to change, make it, I'll just leave it the default, but you can change it months, weeks, days if you need to. Go ahead, click next, and that is the directory where it is going to install it. You can also change it if you want to install in a different hard drive you have on, or you could also install the network if you have to set up that way. Go ahead, click next, and this is the introduction to the web service IIS. You want to enable it, yes, go ahead, click next, and it will install those all. Check if you need to add anything else. You can go ahead and check the feeders, otherwise leave it just as the default. Go ahead, click next and click install. It will take an initializing installation. I will fast forward it depending on your workstation speed, how long it is going to take, and it looks like it's going pretty fast. Here we can see the installation for the role of the certificate services has been installed, but we might have the yellow bang there because it is updated already actually. Basically, if it is not, just close it, go to command prompt, login as administrator, and type there a gp update /4. Let it update the policy. It will take few seconds. user policy update has been completed successfully. And once you do that, once the policy update has been completed, you will have to type another command to view the certification, which is certutil. Once you type that command, go ahead, press enter, and you can select where is your Active Directory domain. Right now I don't think I have saved any certificates in that, but there is another option to go to Start, Administrative Tool, and Certificates Authority. If you click on that one, if you have created anyone, or if you have added any certificate so far, it should show up here. So since this one is a new installation, I have not added any certificate on this one, and this completes the demonstration how the domain services Active Directory certificate services work on Server 2008. Thank you for watching this video.